Hey everyone! Today I'm taking a quick look at the JMGO N3 Ultimate, and honestly, this thing is kind of wild. So first off, this is a $2,999 4K laser projector, and the biggest standout is its 3-in-1 optical system. Instead of messing around with digital keystone like most projectors, it physically shifts and zooms the lens using a motorized gimbal. That means you're not losing image quality just because you placed it off-center. In real use, setup is almost weirdly easy. You can move it between rooms, point it at different walls, and it just remembers the layout. Picture quality is super bright and punchy thanks to its triple laser engine, great even in daylight, but blacks are more good DLP than true cinema dark. For gaming, it's surprisingly serious. 240 Hz at 1080p, VRR, and super low input lag. That's monitor-level performance in a projector. Downsides? It's expensive, and the built-in speakers are just okay. Bottom line, if you want a flexible, no-install home theater powerhouse, it's impressive. But if you already have a dedicated theater setup, it might be overkill.